Hey guys, Uncle Ray. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Bellwether. Man, what an exciting day. The market has fallen apart. Bitcoin fell through its support. So did Ethereum and the rest of the market for the most part. Man, I'm excited. Now, if you don't understand why I'm excited, you really need to watch this video and understand where I'm coming from. Now, we're looking at a chart of Chiliz, CHZ. If you're not familiar with the fundamentals, there's a video in the playlist. Go check it out. I'm not going to get into that. I'm only going to look at the technicals. But just know that any trade that I get involved in is the reason I feel so comfortable and I like big down days like this is because that I feel that they are going to be the leader in their sector and that they're going to capture market share and they're going to be around for a long, long time. Because let's look at this chart. This is basically from the beginning. And if you look at this chart right here, if this didn't have real world utility and I didn't think it was going to be around a long time, when you see something like that's pushing $1. When you see something like that, there's a good chance that this type of move, it won't come back. But in my opinion, and it's not financial advice, but this is one of my horses for 2022, and I already own Chiliz, and I'm looking to add to the bag. And I did not think that I'd be able to get in at this low. And look at it. It may go lower. Right now we can get it at 20 cents. Now let's think about something, guys. At 20 cents, we're basically 4 and 5xing just to get back to where it has recently been. That was April 2021. Now look, but this is the people that got in right here. And that's really hard to get in and to see which, look at this, to see which one of these coins have real world utility and that are going to make it. Well, now, in my opinion, I know what Chiliz is all about and what they're capable of and that they have huge demand. And once these pro athletes get a taste of what Chiliz has to offer those guys and the fans connect, man, I think this is just, this is such a great play. I mean, it's exciting and I love everything about it. So that being said, if someone was looking like me, you might want to go ahead and put about 50% in because I have a suspicion that, if Bitcoin even trades a little bit up tomorrow, that we could wake up and it's already up in here and you didn't get to stock your bag anymore. So maybe deploy 50% right here, right now. I'd watch the 1 minute or so. If it goes against us by chance, we're lucky enough tomorrow morning that it's, breaks the 20 cents. You deploy 25% more. Maybe for some reason it falls apart and it really gets down here. That would be great. Add another 25%. Quite frankly, if that happened, I would go get some more money. But anyway, even if you wanted to look at this as a trade, when you see something fall this dramatically, this fast, there's a good chance, in my opinion, almost all the time. Like this is where it opened this morning. So it opened this morning up around what, 25 cents. So that's a pretty good move. 5 cents out of 25 cents. That's pretty good. So if you could happen to deploy your money at 20 cents and then buy 2 more times, heck, just when it comes back to retrace and get back to where it started, which is nothing, you've already made a pretty good trade if that's the type of investor you are. I'm in Chiliz for the long run. If you can stack your bags down here and then just cut off your computer and just wait till Bitcoin turns around and the rest of the market and the world starts to understand what Chiliz offers, this is a heck of a play in my opinion. Now remember, not financial advice. I'm just sharing my strategies with you. But think about it, guys. You're getting in at some of the prices where the people that the stakers and stuff, and of course, you know, all these markets normally, when they have a big run up like that and someone was staking that, and the ICO or whatever, they have huge profits. So they're obviously going to take them. And then what you want is the market to trade sideways and down for a little while and then look to get back in. Those are my favorite type trades. Normally it takes a lot longer and it may trade sideways for months, and that would be okay. But I feel comfortable that this is just the beginning for this particular coin, and to be able to get in, right in here, if it doesn't even go lower, that is absolutely spectacular. So I'm excited about this particular trade. Um, if you don't own Chiliz, look, watch the video and take a good look at it. If nothing else, a little bit for diversification. And I think it'll be fun to watch because you got all the celebrities, athletes, and the sports fans all around the world. I mean, in Europe, from my understanding, went absolutely bonkers. They had to, they had people just raising Cain. They actually started to legislate it because they'd never seen anything like it. And you got those crazy sports fans, the soccer fans, over there, and they love the opportunity that they saw in Chiliz, and I tend to agree. Anyway, guys, like I said, uh, not financial advice. And look, we're trying to grow this community. Please leave your comments. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Smash that bell so you get notifications. I'm going to do a lot more trading alerts. And if nothing else, if you're not looking to get into those positions, you can learn from it because there's a lot of good advice. And I want to share my past knowledge of being around a lot of institutional traders. And I've traded currencies and day trade for a long, long time. And I want to share that knowledge with you. And also, when y'all have good trades or things you want me to look at, let me know because it's a win-win. I can learn a lot from you guys. Anyway, take care, guys. And remember, not financial advice. These are just my thoughts and my strategies. Take care.